I wish that heaven was visiting hours, so I could just show up and bring the news that she's getting older. And I wish that you'd met her, the things that she'll learn from me, I got them all from you. And I just stay a while and we'll put all the world to rights. The little ones will grow and I'll still drink your favorite wine. Soon they're going to close, but I'll see you another day. So much has changed since you've been away. Well, I wish that heaven visiting hours, so I could just swing by and ask your advice. What would you do in my situation? I haven't a clue how I'd even raise them. What would you do? 'Cause you'd always do what's right. We just took a while until my worries disappeared. I'll tell you that I'm scared of turning out a failure. You'd say, remember that the answer's in the love that we give. So much has changed since you've been away. Visiting hours, and I would ask them if I could take you home. But I know what they say, that it's for the best. So I will live life the way you taught me and make it on my own. Well, I will close the door and I will open up my heart. Everyone I love will know exactly who you are. 'Cause this is not goodbye, it is just till we meet again. So much has changed since you've been away. Nais kong mabuhay sa haba ng panahon. Kung ito'y lilipas na ika'y kapiling ko, ang aking buhay, ang aking buhay sa'yo'y ibibigay. Tangi kong panalangin ay pagsamo mo, kailan may di magmamaliw ang apoy sa puso ko. Habang may buhay, habang may buhay, hanggat ang dugo ko ay dumadaloy, sa'yo lamang ialay ang aking buhay, ang aking buhay sa'yo ibibigay.
gumising pang ituloy ang buhay ko habang may buhay, habang may buhay, hanggat ang dugo ko ay dumadaloy, sa'yo lamang iaalay ang aking buhay, ang aking buhay, sa'yo'y ibibigay. Malaman mo hanggang sa dulo ng mundo, ang pangarap ko'y sa'yo. Habang may buhay, habang may buhay, hanggat ang dugo ko ay dumadaloy, sa'yo lamang ialay ang aking buhay, ang aking buhay, sa'yo'y ibibigay ang aking buhay, ang aking buhay, sa'yo'y ibibigay.
Ang ganda ng buhay, mahal kong Diyos. Sana papuri sa'yo'y tunay na malubos. Nais kong mabuhay sa mundong kay ganda, na dinadakila'y pangalan mo tuwing na ikaw nang bahala sa amin naman, at sa mga araw na darating pa, dalangin namin ay pagpalain mo sana, ikaw ang pag-ibig namin at pag-asa. Ikaw na ang bahala sa amin naman, at sa mga araw na darating pa, tanging sa'yo lamang hihingi ng awa sa bawat sandali. Ikaw na ang bahala. Makulay ang buhay, mahal kong Diyos. Sana pagmamahal mo sa mundo'y bumuhos. Salamat sa pag-ibig na nasa puso ko. Salamat sa buhay na galing sa'yo. Ikaw na ang bahala sa amin naman, at sa mga araw na darating sa mga araw na darating pa. Dalangin namin ay pagpalain mo sana ikaw, pag-ibig namin at pagkasama.